Hello everyone, Francis here. If you don't currently have an online business or you don't currently do anything on the internet, okay, to make money, I need you to listen to this video. All right, so I'm just gonna set this up right here so we can talk about this. Okay, so with the current pandemic happening globally, okay, a lot of people are out of business while so many people are currently running their business. Okay, some people are still in business even while everybody is at home. All right, this is because of technology, okay, thanks to digital marketing tools that help people to still make sales and make money. So in the next couple of weeks, okay, I'll be putting out free training, okay, daily, every single day, sharing with you guys how me and my friends are able to bring in affiliate commissions like this, and this. And these are information where I mostly share with my almost 7,000 subscribers on YouTube, okay, and some of this information I also share with my private students that are exclusive. They're actually exclusive to some of my students in my private training, but I'll be sharing with you guys for free how you can do affiliate marketing and break in commissions every single month. Okay, so there'll be a link in the description, or there'll be a link somewhere around this video. Okay, just click the link, okay, to sign up to join the free trainings. Absolutely free, no gimmicks, no hidden charges. Okay, don't have to worry about anything, just enter your details and you're good to go. So I'll be seeing you guys inside the training. Take massive action.